Oh my God, and she keep moving. What do you do? I think we're gonna have to go.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a date, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high like can we stay high, babe?
No. Good job, you can have one.
I'd rather be on that way.
Like a little turkey sub. A big assignment. God created a perfect world, but when people disobey God, they ruin his perfect world. But there was one man who still loved God. His name was Noah. What was his name? Noah. God had a big assignment for Noah. God told Noah to build a giant boat called an ark, big enough for his family, 2 of every animal, and lots of food. God wants me to obey him, even when others don't.
My birthday 3 days.
Your birthday's in 3 days, girl.
Shoot.
Yeah.
A vitamin.
What's up, y'all? Good morning. It's another beautiful day. My name is Domonique. If this is your first time catching a video from me, make sure it's not your last. I would love to have you over here if you are new. I am a mom. I am a content creator. I am a wife. I'm a mom of 2 girls, and I'm pregnant with my 3rd baby girl. And y'all, today we are going to go take the test where you have to drink the sugary drink. Honestly, I don't feel like that drink is bad. I think I've had the orange one and I've had the clear one. I think I had the clear with Sky and then orange summer, and it was fine to me, okay? But I know some people complain about the taste, but I'm making me some breakfast because, girl, after getting the girls ready for school this morning, getting them off to school, and somewhat getting myself together this morning, I need a nap. I need a nap. It's only day 2 of them being back in school from winter break, and when I tell you getting up in the morning is like what is this? What is this? What is this? I'm counting down the days to spring break. I'm counting down the days to Martin Luther King, like what, that Monday they out of school. I'm counting down the days to that, baby. I'm counting down the days. I'm counting down the days to Saturday where I can sleep in. I was good on winter break. I think it was because I was able to just sleep in, get up whenever I wanted to get up, and just having to get up early in the morning to get them dressed and out the house. So I got me 2 pieces of bacon in the air fryer, and I'm about to make me scramble me some egg, and then I'm laying down and I'm taking me a good like hour nap, and then I'm gonna get up, probably do a little something to my face, girl, just to make me look a little bit more awake, and then we're gonna head to this appointment. I was googling this morning, I'm like, can I eat before I take this test? And I was seeing a lot of things like just don't eat anything like too sugary and things like that, but whether or not I can eat or not, I have, because I'm getting a little nauseous and I need something in my stomach. I don't know what I ate last night. I didn't even eat too much last night before going to bed. Yeah, so I gotta eat something this morning. I can't get to this couch fast enough, girl. Oh, so ready to just lay down. Should I not put jelly on my toast, like on my bread? I want me some jelly, but is that gonna be too sugary? I just don't want it to like knock off my test. I don't know. Or am I thinking too deep about it? My sandwich. Girl, I just ate that sandwich and I'm feeling more nauseous now. I thought that if I would have eaten that, like I thought that I needed to eat because that's why I was feeling nauseous, and now I'm like, oh, I feel even worse. I'm about to take me a good old nap. It is 9:01. I set my alarm for 9:45 and 10, and another one for 10:05. So that was a good nap. That was a good nap. I'm still so sleepy. I'm just gonna put a little makeup on just to like wake me up. Whew. God, I'm so sleepy. just on something real quick. I'm not even going to put anything on my forehead because I'm gonna throw my hat back on. Y'all see it, it's just doing a little something. Just applying a little concealer under my eyes, just like woke me up. I really like this mascara right here, y'all. It's by Lancome. Really, really good. This is what we're working with. Not doing anything else. Keeping it simple. And put something on my lips. I just lined them. I sprayed, what did I spray this morning? This Coach this morning, so I'm gonna spray a little bit more of this. I like to, oh, my hands are slippery now for the lotion. I like to mix my perfumes. And I'm also going to take a little bit of Madame by Finery and top it off with this. Real cute, real simple. All right, y'all, quick outfit of the day. Makeup, 10 minutes. I'll link everything down below. Have this little beanie on from UGG. This sweatshirt right here is from BELLE. God had it the last time. God has it this time. Period. I got these leggings on from Halara. I love these because they're so stretchy, and they were at one point coming over my belly, but girl, now I gotta like have them sitting underneath. But I love them because they have pockets and they're really, really stretchy. But I'm thinking it may be time to get like some maternity leggings that will still like come over my belly. Boots are from Target. I got them last year. This jacket is from Target. I love this. This has like been one of my staples, one of like my favorite go-to jackets this year. But let's go ahead and head out. Back in the car from drinking the drink for the 1 hour glucose test. I chose the orange flavor. So she gave me the option between orange and fruit punch. I've had orange with my previous 2 pregnancies. So I was like, yeah, let me just do the orange. I ain't got time to be trying nothing new, okay? And she also asked me if I wanted it room temperature or cold. And I got it cold just because I think I remember having it cold and it tastes better cold. So yeah, we have 48 minutes left. I can't eat or drink anything in between this time. Can't even sip on water. She was like, if I needed to like rinse my mouth out from the drink just a little bit, I could do that, but like just drinking water, can't do that. So I'm glad that I did eat before I came. I'm doing a blood in an hour, and after that I have my regular routine visit, and I'm thinking I probably won't get my test results back until probably like tomorrow. That's typically when my lab usually come back, like the next day. Oh, we're doing every 2-week appointments now, y'all, because we're in the 3rd trimester, which is crazy. Like, we're getting so close. Like, I'm so excited and so happy. I did finish the baby registry. I don't know why it just took me so long to finish that registry, and I was just like, I'm already an indecisive person, and that is something I'm working on. Like, just make a decision, girl. Like, what? And I have the link down below. I am going to do a virtual baby shower just because so many of you guys asked for the link for the registry, and I know how y'all like showed up and y'all really like supported us with summer, and we didn't ask for like you guys to send us anything. Y'all just did it out of the goodness of your heart, just because we family, you know. So I really appreciate it. We really appreciate it, and I was just like, okay, y'all want to send us stuff, let's do a virtual baby shower, because we're not gonna have like an actual baby shower. Drink got my baby moving and grooving. That's 25 minutes left, and I'm like, girl, if you don't stop moving, she about to make me tinkle on myself. I got a piece, but I don't feel like walking in there because I still got 25 minutes left, and I don't want to sit in the lobby, but I got a pee so bad. Oh my god, and she keep moving. What do you do? I think we're gonna have to go. Okay. Back in the car. Appointment went well. Getting my blood drawn went well. Now we just wait for the results to come back. What's up, y'all? Back home from the doctors. Y'all, I just took my bandage off. Y'all see it? It's like a little swollen. The little pad, you know when they put like the little cotton pad on there? I usually have like a dot of blood. It don't usually like keep bleeding, but y'all, that little pad was soaked. I'm like, what did you do different this time? But doctor's appointment went well. Now we just wait for the test results for the glucose test. Also, my routine visit went good. I'm measuring perfect. Her heart rate was 144 today, and she asked me a whole bunch of questions when it came to like delivery and things like that. So the questions were a lot different today, and each time I go, I typically see like the same person, but it's more than one doctor. So the person I usually see, she wasn't available today, so I saw someone else new and I actually like her. She asked me about my delivery plans, like my birth plan, like my plan for like medication. Do I want to go natural? Do I want an epidural? Do I want to do the gas? Do I want pain medicine through IV? All the things. We tried the natural, baby. I made it to 9 centimeters with Skylar and ended up having to get an epidural because my cervix swelled up. Oh, okay, so my battery went dead, but okay, so I made it to 9 centimeters with Sky, y'all. I know what it feels like to be 9 centimeters, water broke, and how that pain feel. And when I tell you, the pain is no joke. So when I got to the hospital with Sky, I was 7 centimeters already, and I was like, oh, I got this. I'm 7, and baby, I'm taking these contractions like a pro. Like, what? It was painful, but and then they broke my water, and all hell broke loose. I was like, what is this? So then I know I was doing like the, what is it called? Nitrogen. So I was using that for pain when I was in labor with Skylar, but I didn't do any like other pain medications until they told me that I had to do the epidural, because if I didn't do the epidural, I will possibly need to get a C-section, and I definitely didn't want to go that route. So got the epidural, and then after I got the epidural, I'm like, baby, I was going through all this pain for what? When I could have just felt like this, like what? So with Summer, I remember woke up like 3 in the morning, labored at home for like 3 hours, got to the hospital like 6, got there, and I was like 3 centimeters. My water hadn't broke, or maybe it did, I can't remember. All I know is I had that girl at 9:30 in the morning. So from getting there at 6 in the morning to 9:30, 3.5 hours, I had her. And as soon as I got there, I was like, y'all, I need my fluids so I can get this epidural. So they was able to get me my epidural with Summer. It was fast, like it was so fast. So I'm expecting to have a fast labor this time. And she was asking me like, do I want to labor in pool, like in the tub? I'm like, heck yeah, like, oh yeah, I'm here for that, because I haven't been able to do that with either one of my pregnancies. Like I labored in the shower when I was at home, but like in the hospital in the tub, I want to be able to do it. So she was like, I can do that as long as my water hasn't broken yet. I'm just looking forward to being in the tub laboring. I was thinking water birth at one point, but then I was just like, girl, so I don't know, who knows, girl, I might change my mind in a month from now. I might be like, I'm gonna go natural, and then after that I might change my mind again. So I don't know, we gonna see. But as far as right now, give me that epidural. Give me that epidural. What's up, y'all? It is later in the afternoon, and I'm getting ready to start on dinner. Going to make some like chicken pasta. I thought I had noodles, like enough noodles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook both of these, and we're just gonna have a mix of noodles in with our pasta. I don't know. I usually use these. It was good. Yeah.
So some people got this and say yes.
We're passing out seconds. You want? You okay? You want just noodles?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't want any chicken?
Get it over so it's big. So the yellows are right here. They're under you. I had them.
You gotta put all of them in.
I thought you put. Don't you put one at start already?
No, you're not supposed to, but we can if y'all want to start like that.
Don't get over to me. 6 again. 1.
You gotta take another round.
3, 4, 5, 4. It was my turn. 2, 3, 4.
No, if you get a 6, you get to go again.
Yeah, and I got 2 6s.
No.
My name's already across the board.
Uh-oh. 2.
No.
3. You got me out. 2, 3.
I'm mad at Skylar, but she. No!
Morning, what's up, y'all? Good morning. The results are in. So I passed my gestational diabetes screening. It came back normal. My number is 81, and the normal range is between 70 and 140. So that is good. Thank you, Jesus. And all my other tests I passed, like my iron. So I've been taking my iron supplements. She did suggest that I take over-the-counter supplements. I'm like, what? Do you not look like what? I don't know. Maybe she's saying like continue to take the iron supplements that I'm taking, but I don't have, what did she say? Pregnancy anemia or something like that. Yeah, your lab work does not show anemia in pregnancy. The most common cause of anemia in pregnancy is due to changes in pregnancy. Iron deficiency is the second most common of anemia in pregnancy. I recommend over-the-counter supplementation. Absorption is increased by taking iron with vitamin C, orange juice. You may also increase by iron-rich foods in your diet, cereal, nuts, red. Yeah, so I guess my iron is good as well. I don't know. I asked them when I go back to the doctor, and I'm sure they'll go over everything. But all my other tests that they tested for came back normal, positive. So thank you, Jesus. So glad that I passed that test. Vlog. Thank y'all so much for coming with me to my doctor's appointment yesterday and just hanging out with me yesterday. But I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys make it a great day whenever you're watching this. Like my sweatshirt said yesterday that I was wearing, God had it before and he'll have it again. I think it was something like that, but y'all get what I'm saying. Don't worry, don't stress. Anytime you find yourself, stressing over a situation that's out of your control, remind yourself that God's got it and lean into that. But anyways, y'all, I will see you in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching and tuning in. Love y'all. Bye.